Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the Vtiger CRM converted into Bootstrap 5 UI, the latest modern CRM dashboard. So guys, I must say one thing: hurry up if you want to get converted your old Vtiger CRM into the latest CRM look like Bootstrap 5 and the modern CRM. I know the old Vtiger CRM is very old school, and now you can see the latest CRM look. So guys, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. And friends, if you will have any kind of queries, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my Bootstrap blog. To contact this page, you will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and I am full-time freelance. You can hire me for your services. Also, you will get multiple admin dashboards also. See, and I must say, I am full-time freelance. You can hire me for your services. And please check my blog before hire me. You can see my blog as well. But back to CRM. See the toggle sidebar, search, notification, this is toggle sidebar. So guys, I must say one thing. This is my dashboard that I have converted Vtiger dashboard files as well. And see stats, tables works well, all the things works fine. Friends. Menus, submenus works well, and also great stuff. And after it, I will do more demos of friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. And also, I will be working on the more CRM as well for Vtiger, the live project as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.